These 13 dead animal species may soon walk among men again, as scientists are close to reviving them. Tasmanian tiger. Also known as thylacine, this animal became extinct in the 1930s. However, their specimens remain intact, preserved in collection jars. Scientists have been trying to resurrect this animal, once expressing the animal's genes in a mouse fetus. However, they haven't successfully obtained enough DNA to create a DNA library for the species. Auroch. How do you revive auroch, an extinct ancestor of domestic cattle? Well, scientists are trying to bring them back by selectively backbreeding domestic cattle species with auroch DNA and characteristics. As much as we know, European scientists, like those dedicated to the Aurine project, have been selectively breeding cattle to this effect since 2009. Woolly mammoth. Although extinct between 10,000 and 14,000 years ago, the woolly mammoth is an ideal choice for de-extinction. Thanks to modern paleogeneticists, this may be achieved through gene cloning and genome editing. Despite ethical concerns, scientists are poised to bring back this gargantuan social mammal using their closest living relative, the Asian elephant. The moa. Scientists have mapped the DNA of the moa, a giant non-flying bird that disappeared around 600 years ago due to excessive hunting. According to them, the odds of successfully cloning and reintroducing the species aren't zero. Its genome cousin, the South American tinamou, could be the magic wand needed to restore the moa. Saber-toothed tiger. Despite concerns, the saber tiger, aka Smilodon, may be on its way to regaining life thanks to scientists experimenting with the species' frozen fossils to clone new offspring. The last of this iconic beast died out about 10,000 years at the end of the last ice age due to extreme climate change. Woolly rhinoceros. These massive beasts lived in the Arctic snow until about 10,000 years ago, but now there's hope of bringing them back to life. Already, scientists have begun sequencing its DNA, and there's a possibility of modern rhinoceroses carrying their embryos. If they are successful, we may see the woolly rhino live again. Siberian unicorn. Like the woolly rhinoceros, the Siberian unicorn, aka Elasmotherium, is monstrous in size, even larger. This animal had a single large horn, estimated to be up to 1 meter in length. Currently, scientists are trying to de-extinction them by analyzing the DNA from fossil remains, leaving the possibility of reviving them in the future. Giant elk. This animal may have gone extinct around 13,000 years ago. Still, scientists could bring them back using giant elk DNA in a deer embryo. The species is remarkable for its enormous size. Scientists say some adults stood about 7 feet tall at the shoulders and had nearly 90-pound antlers that spanned 12 feet. The quagga. This plain zebra species lived in South Africa until 1883. However, it may return to life, with scientists working to revive the animal. Leading the charge is the Quagga Project, an attempt by a group of scientists in South Africa to de-extinction the animal and reintroduce it to its former habitat.